So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a pattern. So the first thing I'm going to do, I need to create a pattern for notes. So the first thing I'm going to do is create the block that I want to make the pattern out of. I'm going to start by adding a group because I want it to be formatted differently within. So a group, and within that group, I'm going to add a paragraph, actually a heading, and then a paragraph. Okay. Now I go over here and you'll notice it's not in the group. So let me put it in the group. Okay, and the heading is going to be called note, and it's going to say this is a note. It's something that I use quite frequently. I want to make a call out box for it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over here and look at the formatting. I want to change the formatting of it. I want to create a background, and I have a background color, and I have it in my trusty little chart on the other page because I know my color scheme. So I'm going to put it there. Then I want to adjust the spacing just to move it in a little bit, and I want to create a border. And the border uses the outside color, so that's this color. And I want to add a 20. Okay, so this is what I want my notes to look like. I want to use the same note everywhere on my site, so the same formatting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that group, and now I'm going to take it and I'm going to create a pattern. And I'm going to call this pattern note because that's what it is for me, but I'm going to not sync it. If the pattern is synced, then you can't edit the text within it. So I want to create an unsynced pattern. Now, if I want to go and add another note to my site, I can now go into my block editor and I can go into patterns and I can look at my patterns, and you'll notice that my note is here. So that will just add the note. And so I can plop that in anywhere I want to add a note on my site. I also have them for try-its and tips. So that is quickly how you create a pattern that you can reuse across your site.